Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get a receipt from Swiss Air. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Swiss account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Swiss? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type swiss.com, and after doing that, it's going to take you right into the official website for Swiss Air. Once you get into the website, check the top right corner of the screen. You're going to find the login/registration button. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of options to have an exciting time in Swiss Airlines. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to get a receipt from Swiss Air. Let's say after booking, you want to get a receipt handy. Here's how you can get your receipt to download. From this homepage, I would like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have Book and Prepare, you have My Booking, and you have Discover Swiss. Head over to My Booking and click on that. Now it takes you to this window where you have the two categories, which include Manage and Extra Services, and under that you have extra options, or you have extended options. So head over to the Manage category where you have Check-in, Flight Status, Manage Booking, Seat Reservations, Rebook, Cancellation, and Refund. You have Passenger Receipts, and of course you have Delayed and Damaged Baggage. Go ahead and click on Passenger Receipt. If you need an invoice for personal or business purposes, most countries accept an e-ticket confirmation as an invoice. For countries with special requirements, an invoice can be ordered using forms that are available for this purpose. So using an e-ticket confirmation as an invoice, read this, and ordering an invoice after your booking, read this. Invoice for Greece, India, Italy, or Spain, read that, and ordering an invoice. You have invoice request Greece, invoice request Greece, invoice request India, request Italy. Here are the different, of course, languages they can order an invoice on. So here, using an e-ticket confirmation as an invoice. Your e-ticket confirmation is internationally recognized as a receipt in most countries, including Switzerland, and it can be used for the reimbursement of expenses and for submission of a tax return. Now, you can order your e-ticket confirmation in your profile under bookings via the link e-document, or via the link passenger receipt. So head over to My Booking. And once you click on My Booking, I'm going to click on Manage Bookings. So once you click on Manage Bookings, it's going to take you to a window where you can have all your bookings in place. So right here, I have no booking, but if you do, you're going to find a list of your bookings. Now click on your bookings. Once you click on your booking, you're going to find View Booking Details. Now click on that, and once you click on View Booking Details, you're going to see an option that says Booking Receipts, Passenger Receipt, whatever, or e-receipts. Just go ahead and click on Passenger Receipt, the link that says Passenger Receipt. So click on the Passenger Receipt and follow through the step-by-step processes to download your passenger receipt. So these are the steps that you can take to get a receipt from Swiss Air. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.